Welcome back. If you've been getting constant alerts from channel replies on Instagram and it's starting to feel overwhelming, you're not alone. The good news is that Instagram's latest update gives us more control over what notifications you receive, especially when using the app on your PC. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn off channel reply notifications in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust these settings. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to open up more options. From there, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where you can customize your account preferences. Now, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is where Instagram lets you manage all the alerts you receive. Next, click on Push Notifications. You'll now see a list of different notification categories. Scroll through until you find Channel Replies. This is the setting that controls whether you get notified when someone replies within a channel. To mute these notifications, simply select Off under Channel Replies. Once you do that, Instagram will stop sending you alerts for those replies.